Okay, here we're going to look at adding file content to Mahara. That might be a Word document, PowerPoint, PDF, or even a video. So there are two ways of doing this. We can either go to Content, Files, and load it directly to our file system, or we can add it as part of our portfolio pages, and we'll work through both of those as we quickly run through this. So I'm going to start with Content, click on Files. I recommend that you create some folders to structure where you're putting your content, because after a year or two of loading content in here, it becomes a nightmare to figure out where everything is unless you've used the structure for where you're putting things. So I'm going to select the demo folder. That's where I want to put my new item. I'm going to tick on the upload file button, which says I have copyright permission to use this file. Then I'm just going to browse into my desktop, find the file that I'm looking for, and click on the open button to upload it. And there it is. If I should decide that I don't want this and I want to remove it from my files, I simply need to click on the delete button at the end of the row. Just be careful when you're editing, because those buttons are quite close together. And if I edit this, I'm just going to take the .docx off of its name because it just makes it look a little bit neater. You can add a description if you like, but for the moment that's all I'm going to do. So that's how to upload directly into the file system. If I now go to my pages, and I'm going to go into my editing files page and show you how to add that onto the page. I just click into demo, there it is, and I just click select. And I'll now show you the other way of doing it. Is same process. You click on files to download, and then you tick on the upload button. If I want to put it into my demo folder, I'll tick in here first so that I make sure I'm loading into the right place. Browse and select the file that I'm looking for. There we have it, that's uploaded. And by default it's selected the file that I've just uploaded. So I don't need to click on the select button for it. I just need to click save. And there we have it.